You're finally home, pajamas on, lights off, ready to sleep like a baby. And then, why your brain hates noisy neighbors and what can you do about it? Your auditory cortex hates the neighbor, and then the prefrontal cortex tries to stay chill, but it's just tired. Someone upstairs start a party or try to summon holy or unholy spirits, hard to say. Your heart jumps, your brain goes alert, alert, but logical part of your brain says, it's just Steve watching football again. So what's happening in your brain? Cortisol, which is the stress hormone, goes up, dopamine goes down, and you're trying to sleep, so the melatonin should help you go to sleep, but it's like, nope, not tonight. Some of us are just more sensitive to noise. If your ancestors were hunters or lived in a risky environment, their brain is developed to be more cautious. Their survival depended on hearing a rustle in the dark. And your brain might still be in the alert mode, even if the only threat is your neighbor's blender. Genetic differences in audio processing and stress regulation means that some people have more sensitivity to loud noises. In fact, their brain reacts faster and harder to that noise. It's like having a built-in alarm system, but it never learned to chill. So why home noise feels more stressing? Because your brain expects your home to be chill and less noisy, to relax. It's like a spa for neurons. And when something interrupts that, that's the problem. And it can have really severe effects on your sleep and quality of life. In the cities, noise is baked into the walls, but your brain still craves the caves, thick walls and silent corners. So your brain is just doing its job, and please do not blame your partner or friend for acting like this. You need to train your brain and their brain especially. You can use white noise and even nature sounds like ocean, which I use every night. And you can train your brain to relax, and you can train it that it's not a threat, it's just a noise, it doesn't matter. And if all else fails, passive-aggressive notes are an ancient tradition. Just kidding. So what can you do about it? Here is how you can help your brain to chill. So first of all, it's about acoustics. So as many as stuff you have in your apartment, it will help to reduce and absorb the excess sound and noises. For example, thick curtains, bookshelves. But if the noise is really loud, you need to do a good insulation on the walls using a professional. So next time your neighbor Steve starts his midnight blender ritual, you can just take a deep breath and say, it's nothing, it's gonna go away. Or maybe he is just a stupid person and you can punch him in the face. Just kidding.